Hi Art Explorium, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Chloe and today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute and fun paper wallets. The materials you will need are paper, glue, scissors, and markers. The markers are optional. For the main body of the wallet, we only need one piece of paper. I'm going to use this green colored paper, but you can use any color you have at home. First we have to fold the paper in half, hamburger style. Then open it back up and bring the left and right sides together so that they meet in the middle. Crease those folds well. Now we want to make about a 1-inch cut along the middle crease line that we just made. You should only have to make 2 cuts in total, one at the top and another at the bottom. Then fold your paper in half, hot dog style. In the second section from the left, cut out a medium-sized semicircle. You don't want this part to be too big. Open your paper back up. Because you made those 1-inch cuts earlier, we can fold the paper in like a flap on the right half. Then we want to fold that far right panel over the one next to it. Make sure that the flaps are kept folded in. Next, fold the left panel back to the middle crease. Finally, fold the right and left sides together so that there is only one panel. Now let's round off the corners on both sides. Then apply some glue to the back of the flaps and tuck those pieces into these pockets as seen here. This wallet has a total of 3 different compartments. One main one where you can fit your dollar bills, and then 2 more pockets where you can keep stuff like gift cards or more money. Now that we've completed the main bulk of this project, let's decorate it a little. Earlier I made a blue wallet and drew an ocean theme on the front. This orange one here has a sun in the middle. You can be creative and draw whatever you like, on or in the wallet. Watch what I do for my green one. Can you guess what I'm drawing? These wallets are looking great, but they pop open when I place them down. To fix that, here's a little tutorial on how to make one of these straps to add some more security to your wallet. You can just use any leftover scrap paper or even part of a tissue box for this, as you only need enough for 2 relatively small rectangle shapes. For the strap, you will need to cut out a longer strip, but the other part is just a standard rectangle. First, fold the shorter and wider rectangle in half, hot dog style. Then, starting on the closed end side, cut out 2 rectangles. Make sure that they're a little spaced apart. And also make sure not to cut all the way through to the other side. Open the piece back up and you should see that there are now 2 rectangle-shaped holes in the paper. Now apply glue to only the ends and stick it to the back of your wallet in the middle. We will then glue one end of the longer and slimmer strip of paper onto the inside of this little pocket. This is the same pocket we tucked the flaps into earlier. To get the strap to work, just loop it through the holes of the attachment we put on the back. That's all. Thanks for watching. We would love to see your own creations, so send a picture to us on social media if you decide to make them.